Hi, welcome back to another video by New Life Turkey. In today's video, we're going to talk about Avsallar. Avsallar is located on the Mediterranean coast and is around 100 kilometers away from Antalya city. Tourists from all over the world are attracted to Avsallar. Why? Because of its beautiful nature, clear sea, sandy beaches, and the variety of entertainments it offers the tourists. Avsallar has several beaches, but the most famous ones are Incekum and Fulla. Firstly, low prices for real estate by the sea, sandy beaches with a gentle entrance, low food prices. And about disadvantages, the city's infrastructure is still developing and it is located 25 kilometers from Alanya and there's a lack of jobs. There are also no large shopping centers in Avsallar. On the territory of the area, there are many small shops of local merchants where you can buy anything. Avsallar also has many local markets where you can buy fresh fruits, vegetables, souvenirs, and gifts for your loved ones. Overall, Avsallar is a wonderful holiday destination which combines culture, beautiful scenery, and plenty of entertainment. This area is ideal for everyone who is looking for an unforgettable holiday with their loved ones and friends. There are also no large shopping centers in Avsallar. On the territory of the area, there are many small shops of local merchants where you can buy anything. Another main attraction in Avsallar is the Sania water park. The special thing about this water park is that in addition to the water activities, it also has a dolphinarium. So you can dive in with sharks and dolphins. And for extreme sport lovers, you can go rafting to the Alara River also. For more information about this area or for more videos, you can follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you get notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.